Good morning, my lovable children, reputable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, we already discussed or already learnt about adaptation in animals. But today, there is an interesting topic. That means we usually every day. That means food. Food is necessary for us. That means food is essential for us, and without food we cannot live. That means food. Without food, that means we cause diseases, and that with excessive food that we cause diseases. So let's start with topic. Let's come to topic. Let's start food and digestion. That means food. Food is very important because first you know that you should know food, the three main basic requirement human beings: first food, then cloth and shelter. Then if let's we read about food. That means food is the basic requirement of all living beings. Number one, why do we need food? We need food. First eye to grow, second eye to live, third eye to get energy, number 4 to work and play, and number 3 to keep us safe from diseases. Number 2, what is nutrition? First, the process of assimilation of food and utilized by this body is called nutrition. Number 3, name the different stages of nutrition. First formula, what an idea. That means you kids remember this formula. What an idea. Idea, that is the very important term. Idea, I-D-E-A. That is the but pronunciation idea. That means I, the ingestion, D, digestion, A, that means A, absorption, A, assimilation. Keep remember what an idea, that is the term. Idea is a very important formula. Keep remember and do practice in your mind. Then discuss different types of body nutrients. That means 1, proteins, number 2, carbohydrates, number 3, fats, number 4, vitamins, number V, minerals, number 6, water. First, you know that we know about what is protein, what are proteins. First, proteins are also called body building nutrients. Number B, proteins also help to grow, build muscles and repair the damaged tissue. Number C, examples: eggs, meat, soybean, fish and pulses are rich in proteins. Number 2, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body and also called energy giving nutrients. Number B, sugar and starch are 2 types of carbohydrates. Number C, rice, wheat, potato, bread and bananas are examples of carbohydrates. Number 3, fats. Fats are also known as lipids, otherwise known as lipids. Keep remember the term lipids. And also called as oily substance or shiny or glossy or greasy substance, otherwise known as oily substance, shiny or glossy or greasy substance. Keep remember. Proteins are also called as more energy giving nutrients. Number C, fats are available in ghee, oil, cheese, butter and nuts. Number 4, vitamins. Vitamins are also known as protective nutrients. That means it is also called a protective nutrients. Number B, vitamins keep our body and increase disease resistance power. That means number C, examples: fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish and good sources of vitamins. Number D, vitamins are 2 types. First, water soluble vitamins, number 2, fat soluble vitamins. But number 1, water soluble vitamins are what are the water soluble vitamins? Formula WBC. Keep remember this formula WBC. W means water soluble, B means vitamin B complex, number C means vitamin C. Keep remember this formula. The water soluble vitamins are WBC. W means water soluble vitamin, that means vitamin B for B complex, vitamin C for vitamin C. Number 2, fats are fat soluble vitamins. Now formula fat K, that means fat soluble vitamins. Fat K, that means F means fat soluble vitamin, ADK fat K, A for vitamin A, D for vitamin D, E for vitamin E, K for vitamin K. Number V, minerals. That means minerals are also known as protective nutrients. That means number B, it helps our body to grow well and develop properly. Number C, example of minerals are formula, that means honorable IAC in theory. IAC, that means the particular term IAC, honorable IAC in theory, that means I for iron, I for iodine, C for calcium. Keep remember formula, example of minerals, vitamins, and also nutrients and digestion, different type of formulas keep remember. That means first IAC means I for iron, I for iodine, C for calcium. Honorable IAC in theory. That means number D, milk, green vegetables and fruits are these sources of minerals. Number 6, water. Water plays an important role in our health. That means number B, water releases waste from our body. Waste from our body and maintains body temperature. Number C, water helps to digest and absorb food. Number D, we should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. That means 2 to 5 liters also. And number E, 90% of water is present in protoplasm. When you go high studies, that means protoplasm is a term, you know about what is protoplasm, what is the uses of protoplasm, why it is present in protoplasm, then you know. Don't only know about what is protoplasm. 90% water is present in protoplasm. Digestive system. That means discuss the different steps involved in the digestion of food. That means digestion of food. What is first you know, you should know what is digestion. The process of breaking down of food into simpler soluble substances is called digestion. The different steps involved in digestion. Formula. You know about pana details of, that means pan masalare. That means pan means pana, that means pan masalare, that means the word basically the term masalare, MOSSLARA, pan masalare. M for mouth, O for esophagus or food pipe, but term esophagus is not present in a textbook, but otherwise in a food pipe also otherwise known as esophagus. Keep remember this term esophagus. That means O for esophagus or food pipe, S for stomach, S for small intestine, L for large intestine, R for rectum, A for anus. First, you keep this formula, important formula, different steps involved in the digestion. Formula pan masalare. Pan is the very important term, that means bodies are pan. Masalare, that is a different system, different steps. That means masalare. M for mouth, esophagus for food pipe, S for stomach, S for small intestine, L for large intestine, R for rectum, A for anus. Multiple choice questions. Follow the textbook. First, it is a multiple choice questions. Number 1, it is not a nutrients, a protein, fat, energy. Number C, energy is not a nutrients. That means number 2, these are body building nutrients. That means proteins. Proteins are body building nutrients. Number 3, it is rich in carbohydrates. That means banana is the rich in carbohydrates. The saliva changes the starch of food in days, fats, vitamins, sugars. Sugar is the right answer. Number 5, the semi-solid waste is excreted through days, food pipe, liver, anus. That means anus. True or false? Proteins are protective nutrients. Proteins are protective nutrients. That is the false. Wheat is a source of carbohydrate. True. Vitamin K is not a type of vitamin. False. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. That is true. Fill up. Meat in number 1. Meat is rich in dash, proteins. Number 2. Dash give more energy than carbohydrate. Proteins. Number 3. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantities. Cabbage is an important source of raw fish. Number 4. Raw fish. Number 5. The process of removing water from food is called dehydration. Match column B. Soybean, follow hard copy. Soybean, protein. Potato, carbohydrate. Cheese, fat. Iron, mineral. Next question. Answer. What are number 1? Answer the questions. 1. What are nutrients and name them. First, the process of assimilation of food for growth and development and utilized by its body is called nutrients. Second point, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water, it is. Number 2, what do you mean by protective nutrients? Number 2, protective nutrients. First I, protective nutrients are vitamins and minerals. Second point, examples, fresh fruits, vegetables, eggs and fish are protective nutrients. Number 3, follow textbook. What is the importance of prophase in your diet? First point, the important source of prophase are corn, cabbage, beans, whole grains, foods, etc. Number second I, prophase is the fiber present in food that helps in removal of undigested food from our body. Number 4, follow textbook. Write any 2 good eating habits. Number 4, first I, wash your hands before and after eating meals. Second I, chew your food properly and eat slowly. Number 5, write the steps involved in the digestion of food. In the previous paper, that means previous page, then we already discussed about steps involved in digestion of food. Formula pan masala re. That means pan masala re. M for mouth, O for esophagus or food pipe, S for stomach, S for small intestine, L for large intestine, R for rectum, A for anus. Remember this formula. Last number, how can you preserve the food? Number 6 questions. Last question, this is the textbook questions. By keeping food in the refrigerator. By keeping food in the refrigerator. Second point, by sealing food in bottles and cans after killing the germs. This is the topic question answer. If there is any doubt, you contact with me. God bless you. Read attentively. Thanks a lot.